Meaning of honest to goodness.
Honest to goodness.
Honest to goodness.
Honest to goodness.
Honest to goodness. The phrase honest to goodness is often used to describe something that is genuine, real, and authentic. It's commonly used to indicate that something is not fake or a substitute, but the real deal. This expression may be used in many contexts, such as describing a person's character, the quality of a product, or the authenticity of an experience. For example, if someone says this is an honest-to-goodness antique, they are suggesting that the item is a genuine antique and not a reproduction. Overall, this phrase emphasizes the importance of honesty and authenticity.